Julia, I got your email, and I wanted to show you what I'm seeing on my end. Now, this is just a regular laptop, and it's a 17-inch laptop, and I'm imagining somebody with a 21-inch screen or whatnot. But you see the image itself, and I'm going to expand this screen, and you can see that it is still enlarging. It's not enlarging as much, but it's still enlarging. So I really I can't have the product skewing like that. And I'm trying to, I'm sorry to be so picky, but it's still elongating, and I need that to not happen.